How to create and share 30-day locked VPN configuration files for Http Custom and SocksIP Tunnel VPN. In this guide, I will walk you through how to create 30-day locked VPN configuration files for Http Custom VPN and SocksIP Tunnel VPN, ensuring each step is detailed and easy to follow. Additionally, I'll explain how to share the created configuration files securely. Part 1. Http Custom VPN. Step-by-step guide to create a locked config file. 1. Access a custom UDP server provider. Open your web browser and search for UDP Custom Site. This will help you find a reliable server for your VPN. 2. Visit the official UDP Custom website. Go to the official UDP Custom website, which offers premium VPN server options. 3. Navigate to the server options. Look for the menu icon, usually displayed as 3 horizontal lines in the top corner of the web page. Select 30 days premium UDP servers from the dropdown. Choose the 30 days UDP custom servers category. 4. Create a new server account. Provide your desired username and password. Complete the CAPTCHA verification to confirm you're not a bot. Click the Create Now button. 5. Save the server details. After account creation, the website will display your server details, including the server address, port number, and other essential information. Copy and save these details securely as they'll be required later. 6. Download and install the HTTP Custom VPN app. Head to the Google Play Store or equivalent app store. Search for HTTP Custom VPN and install the app. 7. Configure the HTTP Custom VPN app, open the app, and locate the UDP Custom checkbox. Ensure it is enabled. Enter the server details you saved earlier, server address, port, etc. Test the connection by clicking Connect. If the connection is successful, proceed to save the configuration. 8. Save the locked configuration file. Tap the plus icon within the app. Choose Save Config from the menu. Provide a name for your file and configure additional settings as needed. Click Save to store the locked configuration file securely. How to share HTTP Custom VPN config files. 1. Locate the saved file. Open your device's File Manager app. Navigate to the Downloads folder or the folder designated by the HTTP Custom VPN app. Look for the HTTP Custom folder. 2. Share the file. Find the file you wish to share. Tap the 3 dots next to the file and choose Share. Select a platform, e.g., WhatsApp, Telegram, etc. Pick the recipient and send the file. Part 2. SocksIP Tunnel VPN. Step-by-step guide to create a locked config file. 1. Search for a custom UDP server provider. Open your web browser and search for UDP Custom Site to find a reliable VPN server source. 2. Access the official UDP Custom website. Navigate to the official UDP Custom website for configuring your SocksIP Tunnel VPN server. 3. Select the server options. Open the menu icon, 3 horizontal lines, on the website. Choose 30 days premium UDP servers. Select 30 days UDP request servers to proceed. 4. Create an account. Fill in the required fields, username and password. Complete the CAPTCHA for verification. Click Create Now to finalize your account and generate server details. 5. Save the server details. Copy the displayed server information, server address, port, etc. Store these details securely for later use. 6. Install the SocksIP Tunnel VPN app. Download the SocksIP Tunnel VPN app from the Google Play Store or an alternative trusted source. 7. Set up the SocksIP Tunnel VPN app. Open the app and click on the gear icon to access settings. Select UDP Request and choose Configure Settings. Enter the server details you saved earlier. Save the configuration. 8. Start the VPN connection test, the configuration, by clicking the Start button. If the connection is successful, proceed to save the locked configuration file. How to save a locked config file in SocksIP Tunnel VPN. 1. Export the configuration file. Tap the 3 dots in the app interface. Select Import Export, then click Export. 2. Set a file name and lock the configuration. Enter a file name for your configuration. Enable the Block All option to prevent unauthorized changes. Customize other settings if necessary. 3. Save the file. Click Export Config and save the file. Take note of the file's location for easy sharing later. How to share SocksIP Tunnel VPN config files. 1. Locate the saved file. Open your File Manager app. Navigate to the folder where the SocksIP Tunnel app stores configuration files. 2. Share the file. Locate the specific file you want to share. Tap the 3 dots next to the file and select Share. Choose the desired sharing platform, e.g., WhatsApp, Telegram. Select a recipient and send the file. By following these steps, you can successfully create and share 30-day locked VPN configuration files for both Http Custom VPN and SocksIP Tunnel VPN. These locked files ensure secure and private connections while allowing you to share them with trusted individuals or groups. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with others. For more tutorials like this, subscribe to our channel and leave a comment if you have any questions or need further assistance.